So you got your Flipperzero and want to open Tesla charge door? No problem. Visit my website takeaparttech.com, go download, get 100% off and pick US, EU or Aussie Tesla sub files. Fill your details, use code 535. Make sure to subscribe and place order. You will receive email with download link. The file will be zipped, so double click to unzip and here we go. 2 files, each with different modulation. Navigate the Flipper's SD card folder named sub-gigahertz and drop the entire folder with Tesla files to that sub-gigahertz folder. Insert SD card back to the Flipper and go sub-gigahertz, then saved and look for folder with Tesla files. Open it and voila! 2 files ready to go. Both will work. So just send one. And you can open your Tesla charge door. In case you're wondering, charge door will close itself after about 2 minutes of inactivity. So here, one more time. And boom! Make sure to check my other videos on Flipperzero. Also, please subscribe and see you next time.